Okay, we're looking at 20% of 30. So a strategy you can use for this type of question is to work in terms of percentages to begin with. So we're looking at 100% representing the full amount that we have to start with. So in this case, we're looking for 20% of 30. Therefore, 100% is equal to 30. Now, when you work with percentages, the key percentage, the one that's going to help you find lots of other percentages, would be to work out what 10% is. So if we do this to begin with, we first look to see how do we get from 100% down to 10%. Now there are 10 tens in 100, therefore we would divide by 10 for our percentage. Now if we divide by 10 on this side, we would also need to divide by 10 on this side. So we should be mirroring what happens on the other side. That gives us 30 divided by 10 is 3. So 10% of 30 is 3. From 10% we look to see if there's an easy route to 20%. Now you should be able to see to get from 10% to 20%, we would multiply by 2. Therefore we would need to multiply the 3 by 2 as well, which gives us 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore 20% of 30 is 6. Press pause and try the next question. Okay, so if we are showing the percentage to begin with, we have 100% is equal to 80. 10% is going to be our key percentage, and to get from 100 down to 10%, we are always going to be dividing by 10. Now because we're dividing 100 by 10, we also need to look at dividing the 80 by 10. That gives us 80 divided by 10 is 8. Moving then on to the next part of the question, where we're looking to see if there's a route from 10% to 20%. We get from 10% to 20% by multiplying by 2. That means we also would need to multiply this side by 2, giving us 8 times 2 is 16. So 20% of 80 is equal to 16. Have a look at another example. Same strategy used this time to begin with. So we are looking at 60% of 30, where 100% is the value we are looking at to begin with, which is 30. 10% is our key percentage, and to get from 100% down to 10%, we are always dividing by 10. Because we are dividing the 100 by 10 to get to 10%, we also look to divide the 30 by 10 to work out what the value is. 30 divided by 10 is 3. This question is asking us to work out what 60% is. Therefore, we are looking to see how we get from 10% to 60%. We do this by saying 10 times 6 is 60. Therefore, we would look to multiply the 3 by 6 as well to give us the 60% of 30 is equal to 18. Press pause while you try the other question. Okay, to start off with, we have 100% is equal to the whole value of 80. Our key percentage is 10%. To get from 100 down to 10, we divide by 10. Therefore, we are also dividing 80 by 10. That gives us 80 divided by 10 is 8. 10% of 80 is 8, and we are looking to work out what 70% is. To get from 10% to 70%, we would need to multiply by 7. Therefore, we need to multiply the 8 by 7. That gives us an answer of 8 times 7 is 56. This is our answer.